Let me tell you a story. Back in school, I had a classmate who used to panic the moment she saw x square in an equation. She would close her book and say, "No, that's too hard for me." And honestly, many people feel the same way. Quadratics look scary. They look like a monster of an equation, but the truth is that monster has only three weak spots. And if you know where to hit, it crumbles every time. Hi, I am Miss Becca and I make math click, helping kids learn and parents teach without stress. Today, I am going to show you three steps that will crack any quadratic, no matter how ugly it looks. Ready? Let's go. Imagine you are trying to tame a wild horse. The first thing to do is to bring it into a pen where you can control it. Quadratics are the same. The pen is called standard form. So if you see something like 2x squared plus 5 equals 3x, your first job is to move everything to one side. That becomes 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. Now it's in your pen. Controlled. Step 1 is completed. Okay, the horse is in the pen now. How do you deal with it? You've got three weapons. The first weapon is factoring. This is like spotting a secret code. If the numbers break down nicely, factoring is the fast and neatest method. For example, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You can factor it into x minus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. Easy win. The second weapon is completing the square. This one is methodical. It's step by step. It's like carefully unlocking a safe. You add a little piece, make it a perfect square, and then solve. A bit slower, but it works when factoring fails. And the third weapon is the quadratic formula. This is the master key. This formula works every single time. It doesn't matter if the quadratic looks messy or impossible. If all else fails, pull out this weapon. And the formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. So the second step is about choosing the right weapon for the job. Now, step 3. Here is the final step, and it is the most ignored step. Once you found your answers, check your roots. How do you do this? There are two ways. The first way is to plug them back into the original equation. If the left side is equal to the right, then you've nailed it. Or you can use the discriminant, that is b squared minus 4ac, that part of the formula. It tells you if your roots are equal, repeated, or imaginary. Checking means you never walk away wondering, did I get it right? You will know immediately. So let's put it all together. The first step is for you to bring it to standard form. The second step is for you to choose your weapon, factoring, completing the square, or the formula. The third step is for you to check your rules. And that's it. Three steps, and the quadratic monster becomes a puzzle you can always solve. Now, I've got a challenge for you. In the comments, drop the scariest quadratic you've ever faced. I'll pick a few and solve them in a future video. Also, I'll be creating videos on these weapons one after the other. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the videos when they are out. See you in the next video.